Hey guys, okay, here are our ingredients. We have 2 eggplants and a few cloves of garlic, a half of a small red onions, half a cup of imitation crab cake, 1 cup of button mushrooms, half a cup of red pepper, a soft tofu, and 2 sticks of spring onion. Just cut it into 1 inch. And here is our sauce. This is our sauce. And this is 1.5 cup of water, and I added a 1/4 teaspoon of this chili paste. If you don't like it spicy, don't put this in there. And in this sauce, I added half a teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce, with 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And that's all that it's in this sauce. So, okay, let's fry our eggplants, and then I'll show you how this all incorporate into our dish. Here we have hot oil for our eggplant. We're gonna deep fry the eggplant. Ooh, 1 eggplant jumped off. Okay. On high heat, you just stir fry them. It cooks very quick. Okay. It's about ready after about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's brown, then you can remove them. It's ready. The same pan where you fry the eggplant, just remove the oil and leave about 2 tablespoons. And we are going to stir fry our garlic. In a medium heat. Stir fry until it's brown. Let the garlic brown so the flavor can infuse in there. And we're gonna put our imitation crab cake. Add the mushroom. Red pepper. And add about half of your sauce mixture. For 1 minute, just to make sure that they're all cooked. All right. We're gonna add the onion. We did want to add the onion at first because I don't want the color to change. You can actually eat the onion raw, so it's still gonna have that flavor. And then add the remaining of your sauce. Let that boil. Ready to add all our ingredients. I'm gonna add the tofu, remove the water. The soft tofu tends to be watery, so we're gonna remove the water, just add that there. And then add your onion. Stir fry very gently because the tofu is going to break if you're not careful. And then in the high heat, you're gonna add your eggplant. Eggplant's ready, so you don't need to overcook it. And just mix them. You can actually turn your heat now. There's your veggie, very easy. We're gonna plate it. You can serve this about 4 people. I can eat the whole thing. All right, you wanna get all the sauce in there because that's what makes the flavor really good. All right, guys, there's the eggplant. Very pretty, colorful, and delicious at the same time.